Hello students, I am Pritibala Joshi. Today we are going to learn chapter 6 of NCERT Fun Way, Give and Take. Now cricket match. In a cricket match, Sri Lanka made 235 runs. India has made 123 runs. How many more runs does India need to win? Now, Sri Lanka has made 235 runs. So, to win, India needs 236 runs. And India has already made 123 runs. So, what we have to do? We have to subtract 123 from 235 to find the number of runs needed by India. बच्चों, इंडिया को 236 रन्स चाहिए और इंडिया ने ऑलरेडी 123 रन्स बना लिए हैं। अगर हम 236 में से 123 माइनस करेंगे तो हमें बाकी के रन्स आ जाएंगे। So come, let us subtract. Now, from 6, we have to subtract 3. Now, in the lesson 3, we have put triangles for units. So, 6 triangles are there. From that, subtract 3. That is, you cut 3 triangles, you will have 3. Now, squares we have shown with yellow squares. So, 3 tens. From 3 tens, subtract 2 tens. 1 10 will be remaining. And from 2 hundreds, 100 if we cancel, then 1 will be remaining. So, your answer will be 113. So, India needs 113 runs more. Now, next. Geeta had rupees 368 in her purse. She bought a book for rupees 123. How much money is left in her purse? Now, गीता के पास कितने रुपये हैं? रुपीज 368 और उसने बुक कितने में खरीदी? रुपीज 123. तो उसके पास और कितने रुपए बचेंगे? So, what we have to do? We have to subtract 123 rupees from 368 rupees. So, from 8 triangles, we cancel 3 triangles, 5 will be remaining. From 6 tens, if we cancel 2 tens, we will get 4. Then from 300s, if we cancel 100, we will get 2. So, how many rupees are left in our purse? Rupees 245. Next, can you help Nabila? Nabila's mother sent her to the market to buy some things. She gave her rupees 245. Nabila bought 1 kg ghee for rupees 127. The shopkeeper gave her back rupees 98. Now, did the shopkeeper give her the right amount? Now, Nabila's mother sent her to buy some things. नबीला की मदर ने उसे रुपीस 245 दिए हैं और नबीला ने क्या खरीदा? 1 kg घी खरीदा। कितने में खरीदा? रुपीस 127 और शॉपकीपर ने उसको वापस कितने दिए? रुपीस 98. Now you have to tell whether the shopkeeper has given the right amount or not. Now how will you find out? From the amount she has, that is rupees 245, you have to subtract the cost of ghee, that is rupees 127. Now let us do the subtraction. Now, we cannot subtract 7 from 5. क्यों subtract नहीं कर सकते? Because 5 is smaller than 7. So what we do? We borrow 1/10 from next digit. So it will become 15 and 4/10 will become 3/10. So 15 triangles में से अब हम 7 triangles को cancel करेंगे तो कितने रह जाएंगे? 8. Then 3/10 are remaining. 3/10, from that if we cancel 2/10, we will get 1. And then from 2 minus 1, we will get 1. So the shopkeeper has to give rupees 118 to Nabila, but he has given only rupees 98. So he has not given the right amount. Next, practice time. Now first one, baby tortoise is 33 years old and mummy tortoise is 150 years old. How much younger is baby tortoise than mummy tortoise? Now what is the age of mummy tortoise? 150 years. And age of baby tortoise is 33 years. Now how much younger you have to find out. So बच्चों अगर वो आपको पूछता है कि how much younger, then you have to subtract. So from 150 we have to subtract 33. So you do it. Then second sum. Arvind has read 69 pages of a storybook. Gauri has read 95 pages of that storybook. Who has read more pages and how many more? Now, Arvind has read 69 pages. Gauri has read 95 pages. So, who has read more pages? Gauri has read more pages. And how many more? So, how many more means you have to subtract 69 from 95. So, do the subtraction. Reena noted the electricity meter readings of her house. Last month's reading was 118 units. This month's reading is 193 units. How much electricity did she use in 1 month? So, this month's reading is 193 units. Last month's reading 118 units. So, इस month में उसने कितना units use किया है? So, 118 से लेकर 193 units तक इस month में use हुआ है. So, we have to subtract 118 from 193. So, do the subtraction. Khushbu bought a shirt for rupees 125 and trousers for rupees 165. How much money did she spend altogether? Now she bought a shirt for rupees 125 and she bought trousers for rupees 165. So, how much money did she spend? So, we have to add both the cost of the shirt and cost of the trousers. So, add it. Next, solve the following. Now, children, this is for you to do, but we will solve few sums I will solve for you. First one, 17 minus 3. Now, from 7 we can subtract 3. So, how much is left? 4. And then 1. So, answer is 14. Remaining 4 you have to do. Then, next. 139 minus 110. This is second line. Okay. Now, from 9 subtract 0. So, we will get 9. From 3 minus 1, that is 2. 1 minus 1 will be 0. Then, remaining 3 you have to solve. Now, below that. 642 minus 413. Now, children, from 2 we cannot subtract 3. Why? Because 2 is smaller than 3. 2 छोटा है और 3 बड़ा है तो हम subtract नहीं कर सकते. तो हम क्या करेंगे? उसके पास बाजू 4 है, उसके पास में 4 है. Next digit is 4. So from 4 we will borrow 1. So it will become 12 and 4 will become 3. Now subtract. From 12, if we subtract 3, we will get 9. And from 3, if we subtract 1, we will get 2. 2. And from 6, if we subtract 4, we will get 2. Remaining two sums you have to do. Now next, check your answers yourself. Now children, when you subtract, now one subtraction is given here, 236 minus 114. The answer is 122. Now if you want to know whether your answer is right or not wrong, how will you check it? So what you have to do, you have to write the answer above, then middle number you have to write in the middle itself. Then you have to add. Why? Now listen. If you subtract 114 from 236, you are getting 122. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? अगर 114 और 122 दोनों को अगर हम मिलाते हैं तो हमें 236 आना चाहिए. So check. 122 plus 114, 2 plus 4 is 6, 2 plus 1 is 3 and 1 plus 1 is 2. So your subtraction is right. Next one. 314 minus 28 is 312. Now we will check. So 312 you will write above, then 28 you have to add. So 2 plus 8 is 10. So 1 you will carry here. 1 plus 1 plus 2 it will be 4. Then 3. So your subtraction is right. Next. Check Rashi's subtraction using addition. Give her a right for every right answer. Now you be a teacher and check Rashi's subtraction. Now, she has subtracted 384 minus 243 and she has got the answer 141. Now, we'll see. 141 we will write here, then 243. Now, you add these two numbers, you are getting 384. So, it is right. Now, next. 468 minus 139. She has got the answer 221. Now we will check. 221 will be written here. 139 will be written here. Now you have to add these two numbers and check whether you are getting 468 or not. Now we will add. 1 plus 9 is 10. So 1 carry here and 0. 1 plus 2 plus 3, that is 6. 2 plus 1 is 3. So, the answer is 360. But here the answer is, here what you have to get? 468. So, her subtraction is wrong. So, put a cross mark. Now, this you have to check yourself. Now, fill in the missing numbers in the colored boxes. Now, subtraction is given and some numbers are missing. आपको ये boxes fill up करने हैं. Now from 8 कौन सा नंबर आप माइनस करोगे तो आपको 5 आएगा. 8 में से कौन सा नंबर माइनस करोगे? You have to subtract 3. Only then you will get 5. And 7 minus 3 is 4. Next. From which number you will subtract 7 to get 2? किसमें से subtract करोगे 7 तो आपको 2 आएगा. 9 में से 7 माइनस करने से हमें 2 आता है. Then from 1 we cannot subtract. From 1 कौन सा भी नंबर अगर हम subtract करते हैं तो हमें 3 तो आने वाला नहीं है. So उसने borrow किया होगा तो आप borrow कर लो 2. From next number you borrow 1. So 1 will become 11 and this 2 will become 1. Now from 11 कौन सा नंबर माइनस करोगे तो 3 आएगा. 11 में से अगर हम 8 माइनस करते हैं तो 3 आएगा. 1 में से 1 माइनस करेंगे तो 0 आएगा. Next 2 you have to try. Now, let us deliver letters. Now, postman uncle is ill today. Now, let's deliver the letters for him. Now, some room numbers are given here. Now, write the correct room numbers on the letters. Then, find the rooms in the above building and you have to circle them. Now, first one is done for you. 445 plus 10. So, what will be the answer? 455. So, write room number 45. It is already written. And make a circle on the room number 455. Next, 456 minus 20. So, what will you get? 436. So, find 436 and circle it. Next, 430 plus 20 plus 13. So, what will be the room number? 463. So, fill up that box with 463 and find out 463 here and circle it. Next, 426 plus 38. So, what will be the answer? 464. So, write 464 here. Find out 464 in the room and find out the room and circle it. Next, find the missing numbers. Look at the number patterns and write the missing numbers. Now, first one, 100, 200, 300. So, you have to fill up these blanks. Now, what he has done, you have to find out first. पहले आपको ढूंढना है कि उसने क्या किया है, वो आपको देखना है. Now, from 100, उसने next number 200 लिखा है. उसके बाद 300 लिखा है. तो उसने क्या किया है? उसने plus 100 किया है. तो, we will also add 100 and fill in the blanks. So, after 300, you will write 400, 500, 600 is given and next is 700. Now B, 900, 800, 700. So what he has done? He has subtracted 100. उसने minus 100 किया है. तो 700 के बाद 600, 500, 400 दिया हुआ है. उसके बाद 300. Next 50, 100, 150, 200. So what he has done? He has added 50. So you also go on adding 50 and fill the numbers. 200 के बाद 250, then 300, then 350, then 400. So next उसने क्या किया है? उसने minus 50 किया है. So you have to fill in the missing numbers. Next E, he has added 10. So plus 10 करना है और numbers fill up करना है. Next, he has subtracted 20. So go on subtracting 20 and write the numbers. And the last one, he has added 25. So go on adding 25 and fill in the missing numbers. Next, mental maths. Now, two mathematical operations, that in plus या minus उसने किया है और तुमको जो blanks दिया है वो आपको fill up करना है. And this is mental maths. Don't use pencil. Just mentally आपको करना है. अगर नहीं आता है तो you can do it with pencil. Now 80 minus 35 क्या आएगा? 45. तो 45 और प्लस 35 करेंगे हम तो हमें क्या आएगा? 80. ये हमने चेक करने में हमने देखा था ना कि एक नंबर अगर हम माइनस करते हैं हमें जो आंसर आता है, आंसर को अगर वो बीच वाला हम ऐड करते हैं तो हमें ऊपर वाला ही नंबर आता है. तो वही इसने किया है. नेक्स्ट 50 प्लस dash is 75. So 50 में अगर हम 25 ऐड करेंगे तो हमें 75 आएगा, और 75 में से 25 हम माइनस करेंगे तो 50 आएगा. नेक्स्ट 110 minus 60, तो you will get 50. 50 को अगर हम 60 ऐड करेंगे तो हमें क्या आएगा? 110. Now here, if we add 200 to 120, we will get 320. So, from 320, if we subtract 120, we will get 200. Now, practice time. Now, here some word problems are given. You have to solve it. I will explain you. Indu's pencil is 15 centimeter long. Jyoti's pencil is 8 centimeter long. Now, whose pencil is longer and how much longer? So, whose pencil is longer? Indu's pencil is longer. It is 15 centimeters. And how much longer? So, what will you do? You have to subtract 8 from 15. So, do it. Second, ask your papa or mummy price of 1 kilogram salt, price of 1 kilogram sugar, and which one is more costly and how much more does it cost. ना आपके मम्मी पापा से आपको पूछना है 1 kg सॉल्ट का कॉस्ट, 1 किलोग्राम शुगर का कॉस्ट. आपको लिखना है कौन सा कॉस्टली है. ना बच्चों, शुगर और सॉल्ट में शुगर ही कॉस्टली होती है. एंड हाउ मच मोर, तो आपको शुगर के कॉस्ट में से सॉल्ट का कॉस्ट माइनस करना है. थर्ड वन, अजय कुक्ड चपातीस इन 25 minutes. Then he made dal in 15 minutes. How much time did he take to cook both things? Now, Ajay has taken 25 minutes to cook chapatis. Afterwards, he prepared dal in 15 minutes. So, total time, how much time he has taken? So, what will you do? You have to add 25 minutes and 15 minutes. You will get the answer. Next, Chanchal sells school sweaters. In 2 days, she sold some red, blue, and grey colored sweaters. Now you can see the number of sweaters sold on both days. Now look at the above and you have to answer the following. How many grey sweaters did Chanchal sell in 2 days? Now look at the column. How many grey sweaters did she sell? 74 and 89. So you have to add and find out. Did she sell more red sweaters than blue sweaters in 2 days? Now first find out how many red sweaters she has sold in 2 days. पहले आपको रेड स्वेटर्स कितने टोटल सेल किए हैं वो निकालना है. दैट इज 38 plus 40. You will get 78. Then total blue sweaters 66 plus 23. You will get 89 आएगा. तो कौन से ज्यादा है? more blue sweaters. Now see how many red and grey sweaters did she sell on the first day. Now first day में red and grey sweaters कितने बेचे हैं? 38 plus 74. So the answer will be 112. Now you have to tell whether it is more than 120 or less than 120. So 112 is less than 120. So put a tick mark there. How many sweaters in all did she sell on the second day? Now second day उसने तीनों sweaters कितने बेचे हैं? Total you have to find out. So second day का total कितना रहेगा? 40 plus 23 plus 89. So what will be your answer? Your answer is 152. You have to add. So 152 is more than 140. So put a tick mark. Next, is Sangeeta right? Sangeeta went to the market with her grandpa and she looked at the prices and said to her grandpa. Now Sangeeta मार्केट गई अपने ग्रैंडपा के पास साथ और वो कह रही है, अगर वो सच कह रही है तो तुम्हें टिक मार्क करना है और रॉन्ग है तो यू हैव टू पुट अ क्रॉस मार्क. First one, ghee is rupees 102 rupees costlier than biscuits. वो बोल रही है कि घी 102 rupees ज्यादा है बिस्किट से. तो आपको बताना है कि वो राइट है या रॉन्ग है. So what is the cost of ghee? घी का कॉस्ट रुपीज 127 and biscuits 25. So if you subtract घी का कॉस्ट कितना ज्यादा है? 102 rupees ज्यादा है. तो वो राइट है. So put a tick mark. Price of oil and ghee all together is more than rupees 200. So you have to find the total of price of oil and price of ghee. So price of oil is rupees 70 and price of ghee is rupees 127. So total उसका क्या आएगा? 197. So 197 is less than rupees 200, पर वो बता रही है कि it is more than 200. So put a cross mark. Price of ghee and 10 kg rice is less than rupees 300. So price of ghee is 127 and 10 kg rice costs 150. So what is the total? 277. Now 277 is less than 300. So she is right here. So put a tick mark. Oil costs rupees 40 more than a pack of biscuits. अब वो बता रही है कि ऑयल का कॉस्ट 40 रुपीज ज्यादा है बिस्किट. So let's see. Now what is the cost of oil? 70. What is the cost of biscuits? 25. So if we subtract, we will get 45 rupees. So it is 45 rupees more, not 40. So put a cross mark. Now, story problems. Now children, here some data is given, some information is given and you have to make a word problem of your own. आपको सम बनाना है. चलो देखते हैं. Nisha and Sonu were making story problems. Nisha said 13 boys and 14 girls in a class. Sonu, can you make a problem on it? So Sonu wrote, there are 13 boys and 14 girls in a class. How many students are there all together? तो सोनू ने ऐसे वर्ड प्रॉब्लम बनाया. तो अब समझ में आया ना बच्चों हमें क्या करना है. अपने तरीके से आप कर सकते हो. Now we will try. 36 men and 52 women waiting for their turn. Now here it is, they are waiting to vote. So we can write the word problem as there are 36 men and 52 women at a voting booth. How many people are there in all? Next. We have our midday meal in 20 minutes and play for 50 minutes. So how will you make a word problem? We can write, in our school, time allowed for midday meal is 20 minutes and for playing 15 minutes. So what is the total recess time in our school? Next, the post office is 1 kilometer from Shahid's home and 2 kilometers from his school. So what will be the word problem? The post office is 1 kilometer from Shahid's home and 2 kilometers from his school. So we can write what is the total distance between Shahid's home and his school. Next, Bunty has read 27 books and Bubbly has read 34 books. So, we can make the word problem as Bunty has read 27 books and Bubbly has read 34 books. Who has read more books and how many more he or she has read? Now, count to subtract. Dolma bought 4 dozen bananas and gave 1 to each of her friends. 13 bananas were left. How many friends got a banana? Now, as you know, this can be found by counting forward from 13. It is easier to count in jumps of 10. You can also use Kittu's home shown on page number 29. Now, children, आपको किट्टू का होम याद है ना? हमने जंप किया था 10 units के लिए. So, same thing you have to use here and do the subtraction. Now, I will explain you the examples. 56 minus 37. So, हमें क्या करना है? 37 से jump करना है. You have to draw these loops. Now, from 37, if you take one jump, एक jump हम लेंगे तो 10 का jump हम लेंगे तो हमें 47 आएगा. उसके बाद और एक jump हम लेंगे तो 57 आ जाएगा, पर हमें तो 56 तक ही जाना है. तो एक हम पीछे आएंगे. So, from 37 to 47, from 47 to 57 and go back 1 unit. Now, how will you write? 10 plus 10 and then minus 1. So, it will be 10 plus 10 is 20, 20 minus 1 is 19. So, 56 minus 37 is 90. Easy. Now, B. 60 minus 45. So, start from 45. So, we can do, this is another way of doing. Instead of taking 10 units, he has taken only 5 units. So, 45 से उसने 5 units का jump लिया. उसके बाद उसने 10 units का लिया. So, from 45 to 50, then 50 to 60. So, 5 plus 10, that is 15. So, 60 minus 45 is 15. C. 80 minus 59. Now from 59 he is taking only one jump to 60. Then from 60 to 70, 70 to 80. Now add 1 plus 10 is 21. So 80 minus 59 is 21. Now 4 sums are given for you to do. So try it. Now next, all the king's horses. Now here is a story, you will enjoy it. Once there was a king who could count only up to 9. Up to what number can you count? Now इस king को तो counting आती नहीं है, उसको तो सिर्फ 9 तक ही counting आती है. The king loved horses, but he could never count all of them. He kept them in such a way that he needed to count only up to 9 from each side. Now, king को horses बहुत प्यारे थे, तो पर उसको तो count करना आता नहीं था. तो उसने कैसे arrange किया था कि total उसका 9 ही आए. उस तरह से उसने horses को arrange किया था. Now, how he has arranged? 3, 3, 3. So total he can count up to 9. इस तरह से भी 9 आएगा, इस तरह से भी 9 आएगा और इस तरह से भी 9 आएगा. So उसको संतोष था कि चलो, he was satisfied कि I have my all the horses. So how many horses in all did the king have? Now you count. How many horses are there? 3 plus 3 plus 3 is 9. 9 plus and 9 plus 3 plus 3, that is total 3s you count, you will get 24 horses. Count all the 3s, you will get 24 horses. Now, one day a visitor with 4 horses came there. It was getting dark, so he wanted to stay there at night. So one day a visitor came with 4 horses. एक विजिटर आया, उसके पास कितने horses थे? 4 horses. और रात हो रही थी, so he wanted to stay there. But the horse keeper was scared. But horse keeper को तो डर लग रहा था. If the king saw these extra horses, he would be very angry. So the visitor said, "Do not worry, the king will never know." So he arranged the horses like this. But visitor ने बोला, "You don't worry, I will arrange the horses." Now what he did, he arranged his horses in this way कि हर एक लाइन का टोटल 9 ही हो रहा था. See children, 2 plus 5 plus 2 is 9. 2 plus 5 plus 2 is 9. 2 plus 5 plus 2 is 9. Again 2 plus 5 plus 2 is 9. So how many horses are there now? Now count all the numbers. How many horses are there? There are 28 horses. Now at night, the king came to count the horses. फिर king आए horses count करने. Along his side, he counted 9 horses. Ah, that is fine, he said. Then he happily went to sleep. Now he was satisfied. Chalo, I have my all the horses, and he went to sleep. Now in the morning, the clever visitor tried another trick. Now morning, visitor को वापस जाना था, तो उसने दूसरा ट्रिक अप्लाई किया. He took out his own 4 horses. उसने अपने तो 4 horses ले लिए, but he also ran away with some of the king's horses. उसने थोड़े king के horses भी ले लिए. He left the king's horses standing in this way. पर उसने arrange कैसे कर दिया? The 4 1 4 4 1 4 4 1 4 and 4 1 4. So we can see the total on each side is 9. So the silly king did not find any horse missing and he was satisfied. Now can you help him? Now again you count these numbers. It will be 20. How many horses are now left? 20. So how many of the king's horses were taken away? There were 24 horses. Now there are only 20. So how many horses did the visitor take away? 4 horses. So with this we are completing the chapter.